Right, good afternoon everyone. Now, just for those who don't know, I'm just making some little of the fairies up. Now we do have a lot of these on for sale. You get, I think it's like a 9 or 10. And you can make them anyhow, using anything, coloured beads or whatever. But I like to use these because they look like a little skirt on the fairy, like that. So shaped flower. I use the longer pins so I can put as many beads on as I want and then cut off what I don't need. And I like the pearl. Now the teardrop pearl, remember the size of this is no point in putting, say one, I don't know, one this size on. That'd be silly. It just would not go. It just would look silly. So average out your pearl size that you need to make your little fairy. Now you can, I've used spacer beads for the top, for the head with wings, but you can use pearls and bead caps. It really doesn't matter. So I'm adding that. I'm going to add my wings. Now that one's got the wings downwards, and that's how I like them. I don't like them with the wings up. You pop on the wings. Now I can pop on a bead for the head if I choose. Like that. See? And I like that. That's fine. I'm not going to put a bead cap. Oh, shall I? I might put a bead cap on this one. Let's see if I've got one that'll look okay. There's some of these are different sizes. And if it looks too big, that's silly. And actually, that looks okay. I like that. So, take the pliers, I push that onto my finger, hold that down and pin that back so you've got a L shape, and then I cut it. And you'd want no more than your thumbnail. Well, it depends how long your nails are. You just want a small, about, oops, go back on. So I've got that about 2 centimetres, I think. That didn't go in there properly. Went in the petal side, you nana. There we go. So I've got that. And then I just, in the middle of that, bend it back. Now I can cut it because I can see how much I need. I'd rather have too much than not enough. And I just take hold of it and bend it in like that. And straight away, you've got another little fairy. And they are so easy to make. I'm actually going to change this one, and that's the best thing about it. You can change if you want to. I'm going to take the bead cap off. I don't like that one. I don't like those. I like to keep everything together, like the colour. So I'm going to do that. I will pop one of those on this one. Again, like that. Then the bead cap. I don't have any smaller ones. So that will do. And then I can just bend that back where it was. There we go. Cut that. Put all your little bits into the bin. Don't ever leave them lying about, because if they get under your skin, you'll be in trouble. And they don't take long to do at all. So I'm just going to do a couple more. I like the ones with a heart instead of a face, to be honest. Something different. And you know me, I like to be different. So I'm just going to do a couple more like that. Put the wings on. Add another one of those. And then bend this back. I'm just going to do it like that. It's just easy. I'm used to doing them, but if you're not, there you go. You know, you find your own way of doing things. Okie dokie. Let me just see if I've got any more of those. Yeah, I've got a few here. I might do a set of them and then pop them on the shop. See, and I just do that and then trim that and then pull it over. Fits perfect. See, like that. So I have 1, 2, 3 of those, and we'll just do one more of these. They're just simple to do, not hard at all. One of those, put the skirt piece on, put the wings on, find the pearl, bead cap, same thing, flip back, see, like that, Zorro. And then cut that and just flip that in. Fine. So we have 3 with those and 3 without the pearl, a heart instead. Okay, so I hope that's helpful. You can sit and do them all day long, don't take long. You can push these down as well so they cover the whole of the bead. Well, when I say the whole, half of it. And yeah, nice. Thanks for watching, take care, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.